If you'd like to see how I created this pumpkin themed candle for Halloween using a Dollar Tree candle and a Dollar Tree jar, keep watching this video. YouTube. So today in this video, I am going to be making a DIY candle using Dollar Tree wax, and it's orange like a pumpkin. And I have this Dollar Tree little glass, and it's very heavy duty, very sturdy. And then I use my Silhouette Cameo in another video that I showed you, and I already have a little angry pumpkin face cut out. So this is gonna be something very simple that you can do, and I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So what you need is the candle of your choice, and because I already had orange, I didn't have to worry about trying to dye it or anything. I am gonna go ahead and put my oven on 350 and heat this up so it's gonna melt down. Then I'll wash this glass off, and then we'll go ahead and put the decal on. Okay, so I'm adding the vinyl decal. I just want to line it up so that the eyes and the eyebrows are not like over the top of the cup. And if you don't get it exactly perfect or lined up all the way perfectly, don't worry about it, because it can be like a twisted, scary face or slightly crooked, scary face. It doesn't really matter. It's cool. And then I just go ahead and pull off that backing sheet, and look how cool that is already without any wax or anything inside. Okay, so I have these little dot stickers, and I'm going to put one in the bottom of this cup or this jar. And what I'm going to do is stick it down directly in the center. And I took the wick out of the other candle so I can go ahead and reuse it and put it inside of this candle I'm going to make. So I stuck that really good down in the center right there. Now there's some backing. Pull the backing off. Now I'm just going to go ahead and line this up. I'm going to put a drop of glue because I didn't wipe the wax off and it was really waxy, so I don't think it's going to stick. So I just put a little drop of glue, some fast curing glue, and I'm just going to go ahead and stick that right on. So I'm going to go ahead and press that down, allow that to dry so that can stick, and then I'll pour the wax in. Okay, so for this part, you really want to make sure that you're pouring it nice and slow. It kind of was coming out kind of quick because it's like pouring water almost, but I was trying to go as slow as I possibly could. And then also make sure you're being careful and using caution. I had on like an oven mitt because it's super piping hot. And I did already add like some rosemary flavoring in it so it can have like a nice little smell to it. This orange candle didn't particularly have any smell to it, like the one I bought from Dollar Tree and melted down. So if you have some natural oils to add to it, that would be a cute thing to do. Okay, so I'm going to allow this to dry, and then we'll see how it looks. So before I let this cool down, I just wanted to see how it would look if I added a little bit of glitter, so I put some orange glitter in it. Okay, you guys, here is the final finished result. Look at that glitter. That's how the glitter turned out. I just wanted to see how it would look, just to have a little sparkle added to this candle. I think it came out absolutely amazing. What I will say is it's up to you. What you could do on yours is you could either make the pumpkin cutout smaller, or I could have put it lower so that there's more wax towards the top of the eyes. But this looks good to me. It doesn't bother me. Also, what I could have done is bought 2 of the orange candles, melted 2 of them down, and had more wax come to the top of the glass. So that's definitely up to you. But I think this came out really nice. This will make a nice decor to put on maybe, I guess, your porch or to light around your home. Oh, and look, I made another candle just recently. I have a video for that as well because it is October. So it is breast cancer awareness. So I did make a candle for that, and I think that came out really cute. So be sure to check out that video also. But thanks you guys for watching this video. This was very affordable, fun, friendly DIY that you could do with your kids, you could do by yourself. It's literally just like $2. And if you don't have access to a cutter, you can use some stickers maybe, or you can probably buy some Halloween themed cutouts on Etsy, or go ahead and get you a black Sharpie marker and draw on the angry pumpkin face that way. But thanks you guys for watching this video. I hope you did find it helpful. Give it a thumbs up or share it on Facebook or share it with someone who may be interested in something like this. And I just hit 19,000 subscribers, so hello to all my new subscribers. Hello to all my subscribers. I greatly appreciate you watching my channel. And thanks again, you guys. Bye-bye. Check out our website, myroyalradiance.com, and we do carry faux leather inspired designer fabric for your crafting needs, luxury inspired croc charms, as well as iron-on patches and much more. Enjoy the coupon code MyRoyalBeauty10OFF. Check out our website, CRTacticalDefense.com, where we do sell in-waistband gun holsters, belly band holsters, and many more. Please check out my discount code VIBES for a special discount for my subscribers.